Muli magandang umaga po sa lahat. Salamat sa pagkakataon para muli magpuri bilang isang pamilya, isang komunidad. And in a very particular way, we pray especially for those who are ill today. Alam naman natin na hirap na magkasakit, no? Mahirap magkasakit, maraming inaabala, magastos, no? Napakagastos. So we remember not only those who are ill physically, but mentally ill. It is also part of it, but we remember that today. And we thank God for God's healing love for us. Again, how important it is to go back and serve the Lord after our healing. Very, very important. And we learn the many lessons of healing. We see today how yung konteksto kung bakit napakahalaga, no? Yung nangyari, paano yung sakit nung panahon ni Jesus, and we will try to compare it now. Yung leprosy, dati kasi, no? Ngayon wala na no? Wala nang leprosy ngayon, wala nang ketong ngayon, no? Yung tala, leprosarium, no? Salamat sa Diyos, wala na. Pero napakahirap dati, hindi lang sakit, kundi talagang inaalis ka, no? Inaalis ka sa komunidad. As a matter of fact, no? Pag ikaw ay may ketong, kailangan hindi ka naliligo, hindi ka nag-aahit, hindi ka madumi, dapat yung damit mo punit-punit, no? At may bell ka. Pag lumalapit ka at may mga tao, magbe-bell ka kasi nakakahawa eh. So imagine the effect of how it is pag ikaw ay may ketong nung panahon na yun. Talagang ina-isolate ka, talagang nakakatakot. Hindi lang yung physical illness, but the isolation. No? May sakit ka na nga, tinataboy ka pa. Salamat sa Diyos, wala nang leprosy. Salamat. Pero, what happened in COVID, in a certain sense, pareho eh. Di ba nangyari? Kaya napakalupit ng COVID in a certain sense. Salamat sa Diyos, wala nang COVID ngayon. Wala na masyado, di ba? Kaya we can afford to celebrate again, no? In full force now. Pero imagine, dati, pag tinakbo ko sa ospital, hindi ka makabisita. At pag mamatay, hindi ka makapunta. Dadating na lang sa'yo, abo na. Ganyong katindi, no? Talagang ina-isolate. Imagine the effect of what it is to be ill with leprosy and with COVID. Salamat sa Diyos, wala na. Salamat sa Diyos. But that is the context. That is the most similar effect of leprosy then and now how we have it. But today, we are being reminded of the compassion of Jesus. Ang malasakit na para sa mga may sakit. How important it is to accompany people, tulungan ang mga tao, ipagdasal. Kaya ngayon napakahalaga yung pagdadasal natin. To be with, samahan natin. Kasi alam naman natin gano'ng kahirap ang magkasakit eh. Ang hirap. So we pray for the opportunity to be able to minister, to able to help. Huwag natin baliwalain. Si Mother Teresa ng Calcutta, alam naman natin, saint of the gutters. Talagang nasa laylayan. No? Kasi imagine, ang number one nilalapitan at hinahanap ng mga madre, mga kasamahan ni Mother Teresa, yung mga talagang nabaliwala na. Buti na lang, parang wala pa ako nakikita dito. Pero sa India kung saan si Mother Teresa, may mga tao, inuud. Nasa kalye na nasa baliwala. Imagine, inuud na. Talagang baliwala. Yun ang hinahanap nila, kukunin, aalisin yung uud bawat isa. Can you imagine that? All alone, sa huling sandali ng buhay, at least nasasamahan at pinapakita yung pagmamahal ng Diyos. In the very, very end. And God will always accompany us during these times. Excuse me. Salamat sa missionaries of charities of Mother Calcutta who help us during these difficult times. In a certain sense, we thank God for His healing love as we pray for this Mass for the healing today for those who are ill. But let us not forget not only those who are physically ill, but let us talk of the modern day leprosy. Modern day leprosy nga is yung sabi katulad ng Mother Teresa, it is the illness of indifference or the unwanted, no? Talagang you are hated, tinatakwil, no? Let us try to cut that, no? Yun ang mas masakit na sakit, no? Talagang baliwala ka, pinaparamdam na ikaw ay wala, no? You are really unloved, you are unwanted. Yun ang nakakatakot. And we have people who because of depression feel unwanted, because of what other kind of illnesses, because of mental illnesses, we feel unwanted. Let us bring back that compassion, malasakit sa mga tao na kailangan ng ating presensya, ating pagmamahal, ating atensyon, yung ating dasal, yung ating panalangin. So we remember that. As we talk of leprosy, ang leprosy parang kinakain yung laman, parang kinakain, di ba? Pero hindi naman pala kinakain. I think ang talagang nangyayari pag tayo'y may ketong, walang pakiramdam. It is insensitive, paralisa. Kaya pag umahawa ka ng mainit, no, hindi mo alam yung kamay mo, nasusunog na, no, sa apoy kasi wala kang pakiramdam. It is insensitivity. So that is what the leprosy is. But let us talk of spiritual leprosy, manhid sa kasalanan. Parang baliwala na yung kasalanan, wala na. No sense of sin, no sensitivity to sin. So we pray in a very special way for those who are ill, not only physically, but also those who are ill spiritually. Manhid sa kasalanan. We thank God for doctors. We thank God for the sacrament of reconciliation who heals us from this spiritual leprosy. Kami mga pare, makasalanan rin. Kami rin ay nakukumpisal. It is the office of the priesthood. It is Christ Himself who forgives every time we come to confession. Hindi naman kami nagpapatawad yung aming titulo, kasi kami makasalanan, ito mga kumpisal dyan, makasalanan, talaga naman. No? But it is that office of the priesthood that makes us forgive sin. It is Christ Himself who forgives. Let us appreciate and wag natin baliwalain ang sakramento ng kumpisal. Salamat sa Diyos sa napakagandang biyaya na binigay sa atin para tayo mabuo ulit, no? To be restored and to continue to praise and worship God, not only in this Sunday celebration, but every day we thank God for the gift of healing. And for us who are healed, for us who are not ill, no? So we thank God for this opportunity to pray for them. We pray that we do not take this good health for granted. Di ba nga, may kasabihan, health is wealth. Salamat na tayo nandito. Salamat. Kaya kaminsan, no, ano mas madali, no? Ano mas mahirap? Magkasakit o mag-alaga ng may sakit? Diba? So, siyempre, di ba? So, kaya para sa mga umaangal na, naku, hirap naman mag-alaga ng may sakit. Mas mabuti na nga yung ikaw nag-aalaga. Ano? Parang may kasabihan, anong mas mahirap, no? Mangutang o ikaw nagpapautang, di ba? So of course, no? So we thank God for many things which we take for granted. This Sunday, we thank God we are alive, we are here. The mere fact we are here means we are okay, because if we are ill, we cannot be here. So we thank God for His healing love in this celebration, but in a very special way, we pray for those who are ill. And we appreciate this, and we thank God for His healing love. We ask Our Lady of Lourdes to intercede for us today. And we thank God for this community of St. Anthony to help us pray for one another, especially those who need our prayers most. Salamat sa Diyos.